Alright, y'all. Well, we're actually coming out to on the 4-wheeler to go out to the pond and go crappie fishing. I saw something that shined, and then I walked out here to look at it, and turns out right behind it, over here, there's a shed. So I figured, why not come out here and show you guys. I haven't seen it yet. Yep. I believe that's a buck I was chasing last year.
A 9?
I think so.
That does look like it.
It looks like him. Nice. You glad I stopped, huh?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Alright, y'all. We're out here. It's just a little pond we have. It's a pretty good sized pond, I'd say, but we're out here gonna try to catch some crappie, maybe some bass, maybe we'll get lucky. I need to take the jacket off, it's getting hot. But hopefully catch some crappie. Yeah, you can. Oh, Amelia wanted to come out. Can you say hi?
Hi.
She wanted to go fishing, so we decided why not come out and go fishing. So let's see what we can do. Wish us luck. Alright. We got something. Not exactly what we're after, but hey. It works. Little guy. We'll let him go. Hey guys, a little target species. I was trolling across here, just messing around, dragging this bobber, and it worked. Oh, I lied. It's still not the target. A little bitty bass. Well, a little bit smaller than the last one. Hey, there's something. It's not what I'm looking for. I thought it was a little bitty crappie. It was not. Turns out. Another little bitty old bass. These things are hitting everywhere today. Maybe I'll find a little crappie over here. We'll find out. You got one?
Yeah.
Easy, easy. I don't know, I think that's a crappie. Can't tell.
Right here.
1 second. Is it a bass? Little bass? I was carrying tripod and all. Yeah?
It's stuck right down the road.
Oh, your other hook.
First catch.
Yeah, little bass. Well, the majority of them probably are. Probably the crappie really probably are. The way they were jumping over there. No. Want to kiss for good luck?
Well,
Come on.
no.
Just-
You're kissing fish for good luck.
I will. Yum. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Probably a bass again. Little bass, I think. Crappie aren't really up over on this side so far, it looks like. Little bitty bass. That was a big one. I don't know, but it's a good sized fish. For the pond. Anyway. Ooh. Good one. Pond bass. Got a picture of him.
No, our phone's but did.
It's good.
Yeah.
Priest one.
You got to
Male.
That's a good eating size.
Is he? Well, I'd rather eat crappie. I don't like bass. But that was right at that beaver dam too. You got one too?
Yeah. It's not a big fish, but
We're just gonna build dance that little guy. Calm down.
he's splashing water.
Hopefully mine didn't get stuck up there. I didn't bring my pliers. There's her little ass. Put that back here. Are we scared of it? I'm scared of hooks in my face.
I'm sorry.
Go back to your end of the boat.
Well, it's stuck.
Oh! Little bitty dude hit that like a monster. He made me think it was a big one for a second. Look how little that guy is. Good Lord. Yeah. A little one. Into the water he goes. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. That's a monster. For this pond here. Ooh. Got my other line. Oh, that's a big one.
I can help you hook it.
Go for the head. When he gets up here. Hold on. Here he is, here he is, here he is. Wait. Lift that net up. see him. Alright, get him now. Get him. Oh! Oh my god. I knew that was a big one in this pond. You can turn that down to see him. Oh, boys. Boys. That's a nice one. Oh boy. I keep saying no boy, but dang, I wasn't expecting that one. I don't have my scales on me either.
Keep it.
No.
You want to put him back?
Oh yeah. That's a nice bat. I'd like to get that replicated.
Let me see your phone.
Yeah, I need pictures. I'd like to get that one replicated for the pond.
Recording or no?
What? No, I mean, if you don't want to, that's fine, but... Show Jimmy and Ron. And get some?
Mm-hmm.
That's a nice fish. When he come out of the water, I knew he was, too. Alright, cut that. I'm gonna get some. Alright, y'all. So, got some decent measurements on him. I'm probably gonna, for a pond bass, I'm gonna have him mounted. Not him himself, I'm gonna have a replica done. Just so this one can go back, but it's about a 19-inch bass. Girth, I would say, is about 14. It's not real wide. She's starting too early. She's probably gonna go into pre-spawn, but you turn the camera over this way, babe. We'll let her back go. We might have to take it up, bring it over here. There she goes. Alright guys, I'm gonna get back after it.